forests of central India are home to langur monkeys and spotted deer. They work together and can be sometimes easy to get on in the forest. They live together in perfect harmony. Spotted deer eat plants, but sometimes some of the best foods are often out of reach. So the monkeys give them a hand. Monkeys eat fruit and other stuff. They're so peckish. Sometimes when they eat the fruit, some of it drops down on the forest floor right next to the waiting deer. So, by sticking with the monkeys, the deer get more to eat. But what do the monkeys get from the deer? Here in this intense forest, there's a very well camouflaged predator. The Bengal tiger can creep up on langur monkeys when they're down on the ground and they can't see very well. This is no place for anyone to be looking out for them. But the deer manage to get their sense of hearing, sightings, and their sense of smell into action. And one of them spots the tiger and sets out the warning. The monkeys quickly hear their closest mates and head up to the treetops. Sharp eyes and sharp ears can keep a lookout, and when they spot the tiger, they set out the same warning. They even know where they can get the deer to run away from danger. They're safe for now. The tiger links out of the forest and straight into the meadows. Victory for the monkeys and spotted deer. They can now live together and share all the habitats that they want.